Currently, we could answer this. We can answer questions all day long, but we're gonna set this up so that after you you know you submit 10 different problems, if after you answer 10 different problems, so like watch, I'm just gonna click a bunch, and you can see it's just saying that I've tried 16 different problems now. Okay, at 10, we're gonna go to the game over or game results page. Okay, and so let's just make a scene real quick. So in your scenes folder, we will right click, create a new scene, and create scene right here, and just scene. And we'll call this game over. And there we have it. If I double click it, there's nothing there. Let's change it to, let's change the background in, where is the, it's, so it says skybox, solid color. And let's change the color to just something different, so we clearly know that we got to the end. Okay, and I'm gonna save it. Let's go back to level 1, and let's just make it go to that scene right now. Okay, so in our script, we are going to write it. We need to be strategic where we write it. So in our code, we start the game, it generates a problem, and then after we answer the problem, grades the answer. We either got it correct or got it wrong, so it needs to read all this, and then look, it loops back to generating a problem. So just logically going in order, I think a good place when it comes back to this generate problem, we can actually right at the beginning tell it to jump. If we've answered 10 already, we could jump to the new scene and then get out of this function here without doing the rest. First of all, so we're going to put that there, but we need to add the ability to use scene management. So we need to go up top and go Unity engine dot scene management. Okay, and then we can go to a new scene. Okay, so we could say right here, we're just going to write an if statement that checks if problem total equals 10. Sometimes I'll just do like greater than 9, just in case some weird thing happens where you click and it gets, I don't know, 2 submissions somehow, some weird way. So, but equals 10 should have worked as well. If problems equals 10, then we want to load scene, and we want to load scene. And if you don't know the code for loading scene, we can go to, you could say, I've searched it up, Unity load scene, and this is how you write it right here. And you put your scene name in the, so just kind of showing you how you can Google stuff. And we've named it game over, right? Now, we did not yet add the scene to our list of scenes that we could do. Oh, after it gets to this, we need to not do any of this other code. So what you do there is you write the word return. Okay, so like that makes it jump out of this function. Okay, so let's try that out. Now, we have not added our scene yet, so it should get to an error, and then I'll show you how to add the scene in a second. Okay, let's just click this 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then one more click, 10, and then an error popped up in the console. It says that it hasn't been added to the build scene, so we're kind of breaking there. So we go File, Build Profiles, and then we want to open the scene list, and we want to add that other scene. So you could actually drag scenes into that folder, but I will do it this way. I'm going to open this, go back, go File, Build Profiles, Open Scenes, and then you add open scenes. So whatever scene's open, you're going to add it. So I got the game over. I guess I double click. Okay, and then let's go back to level 1 and play it now. And let's see if our code actually worked. I'm going to open up the console, and then the console clears when I replay. Okay, let's just do 10 problems. I'm just clicking as fast as I can, and then boom, it jumps to the game over scene. You can see right there, game over. So that's great. What we'll do next is in this tutorial, on the next tutorial, we'll put the word, we'll write like report card. We'll have, and then we'll put your score, and then we'll have like a play again or like a menu button here. So we could just go into a loop. We could play the game again, and then yeah, and we can make it more challenging if you want. If you want to put a timer in the game where people have to speed run the game or whatever. But anyway, we can now jump to a game over scene after answering 10, and yeah, have fun doing that. Have fun.